Wait. Dude. Oh mate, it's a granny bubble. I don't want to be stuck on this loop, if I'm honest. Chainsaw. Oh no, honey. Oh no. Damn, that's shitty for you. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna take all the distance on that, my guy. I'm sorry. Okay, you're on that. He is going over. Wait! Did you go that way? What the fuck? Bro, you're killing me. I'm surprised he hasn't like tried going for a chainsaw yet. I wanted to throw it. I wanted to throw it. Hi. How's it going, man? Oh, I got a key, yes. Why didn't I just use that last time, you know? Right, just cut me off. Oh, no. Well, it's a good job I got this key, huh? It's not cut me off now, yeah. Like, wait, I'm surprised it's still on me, dude. Like, you're wasting time, my guy. Okay, I was gonna say, but no. Never mind. Might have to drop that. Not breaking that. Break it. Oh, it's that bum bus. Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? Is he gone now? Yeah, took your time. Bro, he's gonna like camp me after all of this. He's not leaving for some reason. What the fuck? Well, that's a bit... I didn't expect you to chainsaw, to be honest. I definitely don't make that. Oh. Oh my god! Fuck me, bro. Oh no, this guy. Oh, fuck me, dude. Why is he on me? There's nothing over here. He don't like the name, man. Oh. Yeah, I agree there. He's chainsawing. Not. Beta. Nice, thank you. If only I had the adrenaline or something, man. Take the distance, man. No, you shouldn't have done that. You might make it. Please. Back to a complete, like, dead zone. Oh my god. Bro, you're actually kidding me. I don't even know if I can make that, you know. Basement's not here. Oh, he's actually killing me. I got stuck on the fucking ramp. Shit. Are you mad? Are you mad? Yes, exponential, bro. He obeyed it. Obeyed that. Obey, bro. Oh, risky business, man. Oh, the basement is here. I'm probably dropping that shit. I'm fucking out, dude. I'm out. I ain't going down in that basement. He's got a fucking hard on for me, bro. Honestly. Bro, I ain't got nothing out there. I ain't got nothing. I can't really find much to use. Can I? Nice. So we got nowhere as well. Bro, how long are we keeping this up for? Like, you don't even chainsaw either, you're just spading it. Plus gamer. Big bait, no, fuck it. Shitters. Leave me. Leave me, don't. Yes, she's picking me up. Just leave. Just leave. Fucking now, bro. What is this? Kidding me. Fucking no. That's that is just something, right? That is just something. Hey. Don't nobody up. They're gonna bolt it or something. I mean, you got Bam right, use it. Bam. Dead, brother. Oh, Bell, no. Yes, see, prepare. Prepare for the amazement that's about to happen. What is going on here? Bro, I don't want to be here anymore. Bro, you fucking... Bell. 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 Bell, you could have took the hits. Huh? Fuck's sake. Oh, something wrong. Oh, bro. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, we're fine. He actually bowed it, but didn't bow it last time. Smash a pass. If it's me, always smash. Always. Gonna bolt that. Not gonna bolt that. Gonna bolt that. Help me! Where's Ibado? Ibado! Oh shit, dude. Oh, fucking hell! Help! Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, we're fine. We're fine, bro. See? You can't say I'm not a god right there, bro. You can't say I'm not a god. Oh, he's baiting it. Oh, he's baiting it, man. Oh, he's got it. Nice. Give it to me. I'm scratching mine now. Yeah, man, bumping and grinding. Oh, done, dude. I'm gonna take the 10. Oh, sorry, I kind of led him straight to your ass, right? I thought I was gonna back that. Woohoo! Damn, bro. Man's mind gaming himself. Get me all hype, bro. Oh, yeah, he's a goner, he's a goner. Don't like your ass, so. There's nothing over here, he's shitting. Because they're gonna camp Jen with one of them and then be at the hook with the other, makes sense. Nice. Damn, bro, these mind games. Oh, she's hard to send the baby out. Oh, thank you. Oops. Wrong way. I couldn't tell where they were, man. There's no pallet there. Oh shit, man. Yes, yes. But the people for days, but they already... Dude, they already got him back and literally just munched the twat up. Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm sorry. Listen, just go down. Oh shit, dude. Yes, yes. Oh, she even noticed, man. Okay, well, at least she's chasing me and not them. I have no idea where she is. Did she just left? Did she leave? Where is she? What's she doing? I can't get this out. She's on me. Maybe grab. The real pain is out there. Sorry, man. Risking nothing out there. Twice covered them about going that way. And what is this? What is that? Keep running. Big distance, man. Big distance. I mean, I can maybe try put it in this one if it lets me. Does it? No. So you have to do it on a certain TV. Oh shit me, bro. It would have been fine if I didn't try to get rid of it. Then I fucked myself, bro. Please, man. Why is that work, man? Damn. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not mad. Oh, real smooth. Real smooth. Look at her go, man. Look at me.